Okay here, this is just a quick video showing you how to insert the SD card in the new Nintendo Switch 2. I just want to say you need to get one of these cards. These are the official SD cards, or if you want to buy a different one, you can't use any micro SD card. It has to be the Express card. That's the only one that's compatible with it. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's best to stick with the official ones. I know you can get 256 and 512 gigabytes. So just bear that in mind before you buy a micro SD card. So to install it, you might have been looking around and not being able to see anywhere on the device where you actually install it, because this is where you install the game card here. And to install the micro SD card, you just have to lift up the stand right here, and then right there you'll see a little slot for the MircoSD Express card. Those, remember, the Express cards are the only one that are compatible. So this is the card here, and what you do, face up with the little notch facing this way, and then you just slide it in and you'll hear it clicking, and that's it, job done. As soon as I put that in, my switch has started up. But yeah, after you install that, you can go into the settings and get everything set up. Pretty easy to take it out again. You just push it and it just clips out, and you can take it out. And you just close it and you're good to go. And yeah, that is just a quick video showing you how to install the micro SD card for the new Switch 2. Thanks for watching. Peace.